Welcome to LinguaFlow, a very simple app produced with one sentence. Let's just look at the 4 modules here. We've got practice speaking, grammar and writing, fast vocabulary, and study tools. So practice speaking, start conversation, so hello, good morning.
Good morning. How are you today?
It's fine. I'm just demonstrating this app, so I'm going to leave now. Thank you.
Okay, no problem. Thank you and have a good day.
And here's grammar and writing. It says, hello, I'm your advanced grammar and writing tutor. Ask me to correct your sentences, explain a grammar rule, or help you find the right word. Fast vocab, instant definitions and examples for any word. So put in cable, a thick strong rope made of twisted wires or a thick wire that carries electricity or signals. I need to buy a new charging cable for my phone. And finally, study tools. So study tools has got 2 tools, text-to-speech and transcribe audio. So I'll be looking at those later.